Hey everybody, Gage here from Sharp. Super excited to have you with me today for the commencement of the 12 Days of Christmas. This will be the second year in a row that we are doing this. If you participated last year, you know how crazy the giveaway is going to be. We've been really excited to do this, and I'm sure a lot of you out there have been waiting for this as well. This year has been an amazing year for us at Sharp, so we want to share that excitement with you with this giveaway, and we're going to start off with a bang here. We're giving away, to start, 12 gift cards in the amount of $50. These gift cards can either be sent to you in a physical copy if you want to use it as a stocking stuffer, or we can email you a digital copy, and you can use these gift cards for anything in the store. We carry, obviously, a wide selection of handcrafted Japanese knives, cutting boards, knife storage options, chef accessories, all sorts of cool stuff, so you can use these gift cards towards any of that stuff. Okay, got lost there. We're gonna change up the rules a little bit this year and how we announce giveaway winners. So in the previous year, we announced the giveaway winners the next day. So today being December 3rd, a Thursday, you would have found out last year if you had won one of these gift cards on Friday, the next day. However, this year, we're gonna change things up a little bit. We're going to allow everyone 12 days to enter all of the 12 days of Christmas. On the 15th will be the last giveaway announcement, and on the 16th we'll be announcing all of the winners. So make sure you keep tuning in each day, finding out how it is you're going to enter the giveaway for that particular day. And on the 16th, tune in to find out if you won. So for today's entry, if you would like to win a $50 gift card, you are going to like this video, subscribe to our channel. You're going to watch one of our previous videos and leave a like on that. And you're going to leave a comment on this video telling us which of our previous videos was your favorite. This is going to help us in two ways. Get us some more views on the channel, which is super helpful. Gets us some more AdSense money rolling in so we can keep doing these giveaways for you. And it's also going to let us know what type of videos you guys are into so we can continue making good content for you in the future. So with all that said, good luck everyone. Super excited for the 12 days of Christmas here at Sharp. And until tomorrow, stay sharp.